Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best Mini PC in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the world of compact computing, exploring the latest and greatest Mini PCs that have hit the market this year. We'll be looking at their specifications, performance, and unique features. But that's not all. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal a surprise contender that has the potential to outshine them all. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a space-saving solution, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini PC. Number 4. GMKtec NucBox K1 Mini PC. Number 3. Asus ExpertCenter PN52 Mini PC. Number 2. Beelink+U59 Mini PC. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini PC.